Today we'll talk about how can you select the activation time on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this. So it's going to show for you like this here. Click here on options, then you come to this list here. So then you click here on push to talk buttons here, then you click on focus button here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here, you come here to the activation time, click in this sign, and here can you select here the activation time in this list on your Zello app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.